How can I see myself here?
I think they change it.
Ah, okay. Hmm.
Last day in Thailand, where are we?
We're in Asiatique. We're gonna buy pasalubongs last minute.
Uh-huh.
It's already, wait, 12:42 and our flight is still 10 p.m. So we don't have nowhere to go now except here, and then we got a lot of luggage. Look at that.
Yeah. Big bag. One more bag.
Yeah,
You
it's-
got 2 bags.
It's almost 1, but the boutiques are still closed.
Yeah.
So we're buying coconut smoothie right now just to kill time and to have a free chair. Mm. Wow,
What about I
it's
change- Yeah.
you know, I have like new terms here.
Uh-huh.
This one is very coconutty.
Very coconutty.
Try it.
There. That's very fresh coconut.
Yeah, you could like taste and smell the coconut in here.
Nice.
And it has a coconut ice cream on top. No?
Oh yeah, that's why it was a little extra. How's the ice cream? Is it perfect coconut?
Mm-hmm. Mm. There are coconut bits.
Ooh. Oh, it's a big piece of ice cream too. Oh wow. That big piece of coconut.
Uh-huh.
It's really nice. And not too sweet.
Yeah.
It's like
It's really
very
good.
creamy.
And look at the
Very
packaging
social.
here.
Looks like an Easter basket. Maybe we should do that this year.
Mhm.
Y'all don't do Easter bunny Christmas or Easter bunny baskets, do you?
Mm. No.
Maybe we could do
What's
that.
that?
You don't know about the Easter bunny?
That's in Holy Week, right?
On Easter in America, there's
Egg
like
hunting?
there's egg hunting, but also for some reason when you go down, it's like Santa visits, but like 25% of that. Like however much you got on Christmas, you'll get like it's like a small Christmas basically. But on you wake up and the Easter bunny, this magical rabbit, has gone around and delivered gifts and laid eggs in the yard. And sometimes they're like real eggs that you've colored, and sometimes it's like plastic eggs that you fill with candy or money.
Just put my money.
Just all money in yours. Okay. That would be nice.
Mm-hmm. Really? That's something I thought you just do egg hunting and stuff.
Egg hunting they do, and then you also have like it's like there's the baking Christmas cookies at Christmas time. There's also like dyeing your eggs at Easter time. You buy these little kits. And you dye your eggs like different colors. You can put tape on it and then like block it off, so then you can have like blue on one side and then like a line of red, then a line of green or whatever. All right, we'll be back. So what's the plan, Stan?
Lunch before shopping. Because I'm hungry.
Hungry? Okay. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Wow. Chickens. What do you call this? Just chicken barbecue, a grilled chicken, and then grilled pork.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Give it a shot.
See.
And we got a pork leg stew coming.
Super soft. It's like tocino. This one.
ก็ไปใส่ในช่องแรกกับกาแฟ
I like this.
รอบการเสร็จเลย
1 out of 10, is it better than Filipino?
It's not really flavorful. The marinade, you need the sauce.
Yeah.
Overall, it's super good. But I think the barbecue. Where did we have the barbecue that's really good?
One of the markets where it was 10 pesos.
The Wang Lang. That's really good. It was better than this.
We looked for the donut place. That was so good.
Try it.
So good. It's pure meat.
Yeah. No skin, no bone.
No skin, no bone. It's just chicken fried.
Mm. Look how big it is.
It's very big. I don't think it's that great.
Yeah.
You need like rice or bread or something with it.
You need some sauce for it. Let's wait
It
for
tastes
the
like
rice.
Have you heard of the McRib sandwich in America?
No.
McDonald's has like a rib sandwich, like pork ribs, barbecued. Like imagine that as a sandwich, and it only comes out like once every year or two. Or have it for like 2 months, and you go and get the McRib sandwich.
Why does it comes once a year long?
I don't know. I think that way people think it's special, so they all get the McRib.
But it's not really special.
It tastes like that meat,
But thicker, maybe.
thicker with barbecue sauce,
Hmm.
and then onions and pickles. I think
Okay.
it's good, but I would not call that. I don't know what that is.
You should let Super Team to see. Oh, take some photos, of course. Okay.
You want to try the beef leg?
Oh,
pork leg
this is
stew?
vinegar for sure.
Yeah.
That's a lot of rice.
There's like some stewed greens on this side.
Not really. It's okay.
Okay.
Not as flavorful as we had from the last few days. You try it.
Yeah.
And I think you need a little spice on it, right?
For sure. But it's okay.
Yeah.
It's a nice little meal. Keep us full until we don't eat all the snacks. Our
Yeah.
bags are only snacks right now.
Nice and big meal.
We had to buy an extra luggage to check in just for food to go. All right. So we're home after a long day. We went all over the city.
Yeah. And this is the most steps we got ever since we're here.
Yeah. Are you almost 20,000 today?
Yeah, almost.
But we got a lot of good photos.
A lot. I posted it on my Facebook already.
So we're
Quiet here now.
It's very
Our
quiet.
neighborhood. Right.
Yeah, the neighborhood's super quiet. But the street food up here is really good.
We're gonna have our dinner again because tomorrow night we'll be in the airport na.
Yeah. What did we order?
A lot. Pad krapao from across the street. Shrimp now. That's our first pad krapao shrimp. And then what did you order? You ordered a lot.
Pork, beef,
Grilled. Pork, beef, pork
spicy-
neck,
spicy duck salad,
and pad thai.
and pad thai.
Wow. We're having a feast
Yeah.
on our last night in the neighborhood. Look at that. That's a little shrimp now, but we got beef.
Yeah.
I wanna wait for the beef before I try this.
So you can actually wait.
I can't. I'm gonna try it. It's so smooth. It smells so good. Small shrimp. They got different prices too. I think pork was like 50.
It's the biggest bite I've ever seen you take. It's giant. You haven't had much rice this whole time.
Try it.
It's hard to get a small bite. Shrimp is really nice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. This one tastes different too, for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Super wow.
Oh. Like it. I think this would be better to with the beef coming. Smell it because tomorrow you might not gonna eat it again. It's good. My friends would love this. So many gulay. So excited. Let's put the gulay here. This is the. I thought it would be come out as like this.
Yeah.
So let's try. I don't know if this is the right way, but they gave us some leaves. I think it's better you pair it with the leaves or the rice. It's super strong, babe.
Yeah.
Super strong flavor. You try it.
With the leaf.
Yeah.
Good. This is so salty.
Actually, yeah. This is good. What about the papaya salad?
Oh, it's good as always.
Yeah. That's your favorite, right?
It's got tomatoes. I never eat tomatoes, but these are good.
ไว้เสร็จตอนเช้า10 โมงไปเลย